Alright, welcome to this lesson, and in this video we have been asked to use the derivative definition to find the dx of sine x, and it says that f prime of x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. This is what the definition says. So if we are able to express our function in this manner, then we are fine. What is our f of x? F of x is our function, while our f of x plus h means that whenever we find x in our function, replace x by x plus h. So let's do that. So we have f prime of x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0. F of x plus h means sine of x plus h minus sine of x all over h. Now, by our compound angle formula, we can expand this man, and it will give us f prime of x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of sine x cos h plus sine h cos x, all minus sine x, then divide by h. Don't forget that. Now, after this step, we can regroup or take like terms as we call it. So let's do that. So we have f prime of x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0. You notice that we have sine x here, we also have sine x here, so we can put those together to give us sine x cosine h minus sine x plus sine h cos x all over h. I hope you are getting it. So we have f prime of x is equal to the limit as h goes to 0. If we can factor out sine x here to give us sine x into cos h minus 1 over h plus sine h cos x. So now we can split this into two functions and find their independent limits. So let's do that. So we have f prime of x is equal to the limit for the first function as h goes to 0 of sine x cos h minus 1 all over h plus the limit as h goes to 0 of sine h cos x all over h. So this will give us, we know what we know here is that we know that the limit as cos h minus 1 all over h as h goes to 0, this man will give us 0. We know that already. And we know that sine h all over h as h goes to 0, this will always give us 1. So the result will be f prime of x is equal to, this limit already goes to 0. 0 times sine x is already 0. So we have 0 plus sine h all over h as h goes to 0. The limit is 1 because by L'Hopital's rule, sine h goes to cosine h, and h goes to 1. Cosine of 0 is 1. 1 over 1 is 1. So sine h all over h is 1. Cosine of x is cosine of x. 1 times cos x is cos x. So we have it as cosine x. So we can say f prime of x is equal to cosine x, which is equal to dy dx. So the dy dx for the function cosine x is equal to, sine x is equal to cosine x. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.